I've been in Lockport for 15 years and went through Gustav and Zeta and in a couple of little tropical storms that came through here. Nothing has been as bad as what we experienced this time with. I've been out in the network and I rode all the way to Golden Meadow to go assess some of the damages that we had and to make sure that roads were clear the first couple days in. We had lots of road closures, lots of damage. Coming into work, I passed by my brother and my sister's house. Their roofs are pretty tore up. They have water damage. My mom's house, roofs tore up, garage doors are smashed in. Her house is unlivable, ceilings falling and stuff because of the water damage. My house, it's livable. I didn't receive that much damage, but I had some damage for Zeta, so we just got a lot of work done to it recently. My neighborhood, probably just about everybody's roof in the neighborhood is going to have to be replaced or have some type of repairs done.
It's the first time I've ever been on one of these where basically a total rebuild, especially here. The substations are destroyed. There's not many poles left standing. But what really struck me is when I turned off of Highway 90 coming south. The further you got south, the worse the destruction was. And as you can see around here, it's terrible. The poles, there's not many poles standing, and gonna take a pretty good effort to get it back, but we got plenty of help. She said pictures just don't tell a story.
No, it doesn't show you the magnitude of the devastation that is around in this town.
Yeah, when you see it,
it's a whole different picture when you put your eyes on it.
I feel for them. You know, my community is fine. My house is fine, but they're not. We are praying that we get you back up and running and bring your lives back. It's going to take a while because of the amount of devastation. I mean, we've got it to distribution, transmission, substation. You could just look around and see that it looks like a bomb went off here. But we're going to do everything we can. Because I know the dedication that these linemen have, that they feel like we do, that they want to bring this community back as much as possible, if not even better.